Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Shbaz here. So in this video, we will learn how to perform and interpret the sign test in R. The sign test is a non-parametric test used to compare two related measurements, such as scores collected from the same participants before and after an intervention. It is an alternative to the paired sample t-test when the normality assumption is not satisfied or when the data are ordinate. So then we use sign test in R. The test examines the direction of change rather than the size of the differences. A positive sign indicates that the second score is higher than the first. A negative sign indicates that the second score is lower than the first. A zero difference represents a tie and is normally excluded from the analysis. The null hypothesis states that positive and negative differences are equally likely, meaning there is no systematic change between the two measurements. However, the alternative hypothesis states that one direction occurs more frequently than the other. So, the sign test requires paired observations, independent pairs, and at least ordinal level data. It doesn't require normally distributed difference scores because we are doing non-parametric test. However, because it ignores the magnitude of differences, it is generally less powerful than the Wilcoxon sign rank test. In this video, I will demonstrate how to import the data set, count positive and negative differences, perform the sign test, interpret the exact p-value, and save the complete results in R. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications for upcoming R tutorials. So first of all, we will import our dataset in R. I just give data to ChatGPT for prompts. So we have a coding and prompts to perform the sign test in R. So first of all, we will import data in R. We copy this prompt and paste here, and then press enter. You will see the dialog box open. You need to select the data set and then open. So our data set has been opened in R. So we have a data set of 12 respondents, implies, and we are going to see the satisfaction score before training and after training. Okay, so now we calculate the differences between the before training and after training satisfaction score. So copy and paste the command and then press enter, and you can see here for respondent 1 you can see there is a positive change because before training the satisfaction score was 2 and after it becomes 4, so there is a positive change. So you can also see first three values shows the positive change and this value show no change. So also the next 5 to 8 values shows the positive change of satisfaction score before and after training, and ninth doesn't create any difference as well. You can see 10, 11 and 12 also show a significant positive change. Okay, now we also see the positive, negative and tied signs, because in the previous test we performed we didn't see the sign, so we are going to see the sign here now. Paste and then press enter. Okay, good. So now we can see here, as I explained in the previous results, so there is a positive change, there is a tie because there is no change, and there is also positive change, there is a tie, there is no change, so there is also a positive change of satisfaction score after training. Okay, now next step is to display sign frequencies. So we copy the prompt and paste here. So we can see here there is positive responses, you can see here. So there is a difference of 10 observations show positive change and 2 observations show no change. So there is 2 tie. Okay, now we perform the exact sign test in R. We copy this prompt and then paste in R and press enter. So you can see here exact binomial test, positive change and non-tied change. Number of successes 10 because there is positive change in 10 observations. Number of trials 10, p-value, you can see here the p-value is significant because the value is less than 0.05. So alternative hypothesis, true probability of success is not equal to 0.5. And the confidence interval, you can see lower and upper boundary, and 0 doesn't come between lower and upper boundary confidence interval. So there is a significant change, positive change. Okay, now next we do the descriptive statistics of our data set. Okay, so we have a mean, median, you can see variable before there is a median 3 and the mean value is 2.75, and after training satisfaction score the median is 4 because it is increases from 3, and the mean value also increases from 2.75 to 3.916667. So there is a positive difference. You can see there is a positive difference of 1.16667. So in this way we perform the sign test in R. Now we create the sign test summary easily by putting and pasting the prompt there. So we have a summary here. You can see there is a positive change in 10 observations, negative change 0 because there is no minus value. There are two tied value, so the p value is also significant because the value less than 0.05. So in this way there is a positive change after training. So now we will save the all results as usual we do in each video. So we copy this prompt and paste here and then press enter. So I successfully created the results and put in one Excel file. You can see sign test complete results. So you will find the results in the same directory you have data set. You can see here. So you can open and interpret the finding in your article thesis as well. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can get my next video on R data analysis.